Ramcharger triathlon, Bill.
Ramcharger triathlon.
He's gonna come right back through here, doesn't he?
Let's back it up with it.
Ready? I thought we already started. Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, he got it. He's got it.
No, he doesn't.
Fuck.
Uh-oh.
Bring the Nissan. Bring the Ford.
I can't get out.
Where's the keys? The Nissan's bumper will come off.
No, it won't.
Yeah, Will, it's already hanging.
What?
Is there a video?
It's still recording.
Oh, Phillip, yep. I'm so wet. Oh, pretty slick there.
Those are the good shoes I thought.
I know they are.
You never got those ones from me.
I know, I asked you to bring them, but you didn't.
How long is the videos?
Still going?
Okay, can we get the Ford pulling it out?
Yeah.
God damn it.
I bet you got a little water up underneath of it.
A little bit. It hit a little harder than the last one.
She's a little hot.
Fucked it again.
Oh, Vince, what do you have to say about yourself?
So accomplished. I got a shit so bad it hurts.
How much did we fuck up those trees?
It was good. Ramcharger evacuation.
What did you get started?
Ramcharger evacuation.
No, it's pretty good up there.
I bet he sinks down in it.
No, he's in gravel right now.
Get the chain.
Eventually we're gonna have a train of trucks trying to pull this shit out.
Look on Cameron.
Okay, Cameron!
Look at that. Got a winch. Yeah, Vincent's got a winch.
We're all very
What
very well dressed for this video.
What are we calling this part of the video?
This is
Ramcharger.
Ramcharger evacuation.
Should we get
It'll
up? Should we get up?
You already did it.
We did?
Yeah, you did it when he was driving the cars.
Hook it up. Hook it up. Water and tree hit that, I bet.
Yeah, I bet a tree hit it. Wait, you have no gas?
Fuck.
Anybody have jumper cables?
It's cranking, we don't need jumper
I'm
cables.
just saying though, if the battery dies out.
True. No?
Me either. No, the battery's fine.
I'm glad the battery's fine.
I'm glad the windshield wipers work.
Let's go. Vince, get your ass out and hook her up. Or Nathan one. Or somebody.
Going on 4 minutes.
Yeah, you're covered already.
Oh, these are dirty.
My mother's gonna kill me.
I told you to take it off.
Oh, and the windows in the
Hey,
door.
Kart, you're going on YouTube as a pussy.
What?
My mother is going to
My
kill me.
mother's gonna kill me.
And the windows in the door. Go.
Is it in neutral? I gotta poop so bad.